Micro-credential. Well, if you have been following the trend in higher education around the world, I'm sure you have come across the term or the word micro-credential. And in USM for the past 2 years, we have been talking about micro-credential, and this year in 2020 is the year of micro-credential. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Karim, and in this video, I'd like to share with you about micro-credential, or specifically micro-credential at USM, a specific agenda or a big project of USM for 2020. So I would like to share with you very briefly about the concept and the philosophy of micro-credential and how you can be part of this project. Okay, let's dive into this micro-credential. I'd like to start with looking at the value proposition of micro-credential. So basically, as far as University Science Malaysia or USM is concerned, this is our value proposition. Improving lives by providing affordable, quality, flexible education for everyone. If you think about the current education system that we have, in the context of formal education at the university, we have the curriculum for 4 years, time-based, very rigid, and there's no way we can actually, the student can complete the 4-year program in less than 4 years, so it's very rigid. So micro-credential is actually moving from the so-called time-based or based on seat time into competency-based. So this will make the whole design of the program and the curriculum very flexible, and it is basically designed for everyone. So if we again, I think briefly, if we look at the current scenario in higher education, in the context of the formal education, the so-called traditional credentialing system, which is the prevailing system now. So the student have to go through the 4 years program, 120 credits, 8 semesters, 20 units credits per semester. They cannot take more than that. And there's a minimum credits that they have to register as well per semester. So everything is actually predetermined for them. It's very kind of rigid, fixed. There's no flexibility there. Okay, so I will stop at this point, and I will continue later to talk about the other part of micro-credential.